morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Looks like GJ reversed as I expected. Looks like we rejected this daily key level. Nope, not Friday. It is Monday. Yeah, it looks like we rejected this daily key level, and it does look like we could be reversing just to go up. I mean, we haven't really broken this area. We have engulfed that spinning top right there, so that's what it's looking like. Created a equal high in London, then retraced, and then now broke that area. So check the confluence with this trade. So if we do draw Fibonacci, we could be targeting 850, 877. It's on that daily time frame. Morning, Jason. Morning. On a daily time frame, that could be that form of resistance right there, which is totally it makes sense. It's definitely targetable. So I'd honestly say around alright, so I honestly draw it from there, and then we get an entry from the 618 area. But I do think we can definitely gonna buy today. GU also looks like it's in the same area for retesting. I mean, we broke the structures to the upside, so it makes sense. EJ as well. EJ looks like a broken structure as well, so I feel like all pairs that include the pound or euro are going to buy today, or even the yen. AUD USD is at resistance right now. 1 hour resistance, but breaking the 4 hour resistance. So everybody that's in my stream right now, if you want a chart analysis, go ahead and go on your chart, take this set of, letters and numbers, take that from dash to dash, from dash to dash, copy it, and then send it in the chat, and I will look at your chart and I'll analyze it. I'll see, what's going on. Because I don't only trade GJ. Most of the time I do, but if you need analysis in another pair, then just send it over and then I will analyze it for you. Bitcoin, this shit's fine. I can't believe somebody told me the other day that Bitcoin is not gonna rise. Like, bro, this thing is not staying at 50,000, dude. This thing's already on its way back up. Look at that. Oh my god. Crazy, bro. So yeah, right now we're basically just gonna wait for GJ to have that retracement, and that is all we're waiting for. And we're gonna be buying today, 100% buying. We're gonna get that 1 hour candle. Maybe that's gonna close as a doji or a spinning top, and then we'll have the next 1 hour candle come down, retest into this golden zone, and reverse. Let's see what happens. But yeah, for the most part, we broke the structure. So that's what I like to see. Thoughts on crypto's future, especially in Europe? Um, I've been talking a lot with my friend. I don't know about in Europe, but like I know, bro, crypto's future, dude, is it's literally like there's no possible way that you can't like about 2 years ago when Bitcoin was at 7,000. I thought that was the highest point in Bitcoin. I literally thought to myself like, no, there's no way Bitcoin's gonna rise any further than 7,000. That's way too expensive per coin. Now it's almost like 60,000 per coin, bro. It's 50,000 right now. This thing is gonna hit 100K by the end of the year, I'm telling you. And me myself, I'm trying to get more familiarized with crypto itself. I've been like studying with a friend and stuff because he knows a lot about it. But it's definitely something you should get more familiarized with because crypto is not going anywhere, bro. If anything, it's gonna be more used. Crypto ain't going anywhere. Also, I'm going to keep on adjusting the Fibonacci because this is most definitely not the right price entry or the price level to enter. This is definitely not. And I'll explain why. This is just too high of a price to buy at. I know for a fact the banks are just going to send price all the way down after catching a couple buys, or a couple buyers in this area, because I know a lot of retail traders would buy after breaking a high. It makes sense for them, and I'm talking about the majority of retail traders, just the average. And that's why I created something called the REP, the reasonable entry point. So is that the reasonable entry point where banks would typically take you out just because you're impatient to wait on a retracement? No, it's not the REP. So we're waiting on the REP over here. And then that's how you get rewarded, by being patient. Trading is all about patience, discipline, having the right strategy, consistency. It's basically a lot of things put into one to make a strategy. Huge bundle of things. Once you master that bundle, then that's it. You're pretty much good from there. Oh shit. fact, let me check Forex Factory. I think we should be good today. Got Euro news. I mean, that already happened. Yeah, we're fine. We're perfect today. Tuesday we're fine. Wednesday we're fine. Thursday 8:30 news. GDP. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure what this is. Economic policies symposium held in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. 10 central bankers, finance ministers, academics, and financial market participants from around the world. Okay, that's very important. Central bankers, yeah, that's very important. Yeah, day one, I don't even know what that means. This is extremely volatile. This is very important. Fed. Let me see Governor Bailey. Let me see if he's talking anytime soon. That man will control price, I swear. Yeah, but for the most part, we're pretty good this week. This week should be a nice week. Should be getting a nice streak going on. Let's get it. Oh god. Let's finish this month at least like 300 bips. We should be able to finish at 300 pips. And if y'all see the Discord, the bot sends out the monthly pip gain and all that stuff, and the pip loss. Can't forget the losses, and then it just subtracts it. If y'all got any questions, or if you need to send in a chart, once again, take the link. Take this link right here, copy, paste it in the chat. I'll review it. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back. Alright, guys, let's see some charts. Come on. Let's see some charts. Send me your charts. So, I do not know when we're going to do a retracement, but I'm pretty much expecting a retracement for pound yen right now. Gold looking ugly as always. I mean, nothing's new on the stream. Like, gold is just always looking ugly. So we're just going to go ahead and go like that. Simple. Alright, that's just how it is. Euro USD is actually looking pretty nice. That looks nice. Like Euro USD over here is going to start pushing up to 17,500 100%, and that's also going to be a little wick fill there, but we're definitely going to see a push to 500. Alright, I'm not going to draw my fib until we see retracement, so if we don't, I'm going to wait till we see a retracement. And if it never retraces, I don't know why it wouldn't, but if it never retraces, then guess what? I guess we missed a trade because I'm not getting in. Because it's not the REP. Once again, if you need to send in your chart, just copy that. This right here. Whatever chart you're looking at, whatever analysis you're drawing, copy it, paste it in the chat. And I will literally look at it for free. This is all free stuff. I'm just trying to help you. So basically, until this candle's bearish, then I'm not going to draw the fib. The little Fibonacci. Also, if you got any questions, just type it in. Yeah, so EU, that candle is definitely not going to be bearish at all. That's going to flip. EJ looks like the same thing. Let's see. Oh, another cryptocurrency that's amazing is Ethereum. Ethereum's gonna blow up, dude. It already is. What a beautiful cryptocurrency. Anybody who invested in Dogecoin, man, I'm just saying you got lucky as hell. But this thing is not. I don't have any hope in this thing anymore, because that's just a hype coin. Got no hope in that. What I do have hope in is Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin? Yeah, right there. I do have hope in Bitcoin. No. So even though I'm gonna start to trade gold more, I mean, this thing needs to really stop looking like a kangaroo market. Like, this thing really just looks like a kangaroo market. So stop looking like that, gold. Seriously. Alright, there we go. Candle's bearish. Starting to become bearish. So if we get our entries at 180, okay, that would be perfect. Forget that right there. $80. Alright, so our entry point's going to be at 200. If we draw it, potentially be the 618 zone. 200. Stops are going to be pretty much below that area. Or you know what, I'm gonna have my entry over here. Literally 160. 160, and then we're gonna have a 15 pip stop. Yep. So guys, I am not in any entries yet. I'm just setting up the trade. I repeat, I am not in an entry yet. I'm gonna just delete this so I don't create confusion. let's start this week very nice, guys. So let's go ahead and go through my whole extensive outlook. So basically the daily time frame projected this daily key level. Alright, boom, we have that. So basically the daily time frame is just reversing at this point. The 4 hour, any key levels we have to look for. Let's see, looks like, yep, looks like that one is one. Also an indecision level. So that's pretty much just up there, so almost at our target, so that's fine. Let's see. Check the 1 hour for influence. So 1 hour pretty much broke above this level right here that we were supposed to retest, but instead we broke above it. And the scenario for this trade is going to be a reversal. Execution is Fibonacci. Simple. Literally just gonna wait till we engulf a candle. I'm done drawing the fib. And also, guys, like, if we do walk away tradeless, it's fine. It's literally fine. You don't have to take a trade every single day. We should look for a trade every day, which is what I do. I mean, depending on your strategy, I don't know. But what I do is I look for a trade every day. If I don't get it, I'm not going to stress it and try to force a trade which will jeopardize my capital. No, I'm not going to do that. If I don't see what the market can potentially give me, then I'm just not going to take a trade. And I'd rather protect my capital, because if I don't, then you already know what happens. You already know what happens. Over trading to the max, trying to get that loss back. I mean, I don't over trade anymore because I've practiced not to. But I'm talking about beginners who don't really know about controlling emotion and all that stuff. And really what happens with your psychology when you're trading Forex. Because psychology is probably the most important thing that you'll ever have in this industry. I'm serious right now. Like, psychology, if you don't have a good psychology, and a good mindset, you're pretty much not going to make money at all. Like, and that's like, I'm being 100% serious right now. You will not make any money at all if you do not have a good psychology. Because what's a good strategy when you lose once and then you try to recover that loss, trying to take another trade just because your psychology is not good? You know, maybe it's not even your fault. Maybe it's the market. Maybe the market's just like not good that day. And yeah, the market has their days where they're like, it just doesn't move well. Like GJ's has had days where it just ranged for the whole day, literally the whole day, or maybe like 4 days. I had that before, 4 days of ranging, and I couldn't do anything about it. But just forced to take a trade in that little kangaroo market thing, then you could regret it later. You know, so always have a good psychology. Always. I don't know, my chat's tripping. I think it's like resetting. But yeah, always have a good psychology. Literally, there's something called our subconscious mind, which is what controls the emotional reactions that we have against certain things that we don't like, and we don't like taking losses. So our subconscious mind immediately thinks that the market owes us money. So it's a good thing to get rid of those subconscious programs. And the reason why I know all this is because I studied from a psychologist in terms of trading and psychology. And it's very important to know this, because if you don't, then I don't know how else you're going to control not taking another loss after loss after loss. So whoever's out there struggling with overtrading, you know, just find better psychology methods. You know, and then you'll do awesome. I think that's the one problem that most retail traders have. It's either psychology, their strategy doesn't work, or maybe the market's just not good at that time, and then they just give up. And this market is not for people who give up. And it's not for emotional people either, because trust me, this thing will what's the word? This market will humble you real fast. Like, if you think you could come in here and be like, oh yeah, hell yeah, like I'm a beast, unless you've been a beast, nah, this market will humble you real quick. And when I first started trading 2 years ago, I realized that real fast. I thought it was going to be all easy, fun and games, flipping accounts, putting in $100 and making $1,000 like the next week. It's possible, but was I skilled enough to do it? No, I wasn't. So that's what I thought. I thought it was going to be easy. And the market literally humbled me real fast. And I was like, yeah, this is a lot more harder than I expected. But, I didn't have good guidance. I literally just traded. Like, the person who showed me this, we didn't really, he wasn't starting, but in terms of technical analysis and everything, we both didn't even know. So we both pretty much grew together in terms of everything, like psychology, trading strategies, discipline, all that stuff. So I really didn't have good guidance when I first started trading. So I didn't know any better when I was putting in more lot sizes than I was supposed to. I had no risk management. I didn't know what that was. I literally thought you put your whole account's margin and just make like double your account from that. Like that's what I thought. So I am here to help everybody in terms of anything, psychology, strategy. I mean, obviously, you know, I charge for the strategy because I'm not going to give that out for free, but we have a course that's free. It's like on the basics and stuff if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, the strategy course that's charged. Of course, can't give it out for free. And it's not any support resistance regular stuff. It's like actually it's like I created it. And you know, the psychology and everything like that. And mentorship. But yeah, I'm trying to help people not create the same mistakes that I basically you know, made. So that's basically it. Anybody got any questions on like any pairs and stuff? I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna be waiting for a retracement, right? But I'm gonna really see what happens in this level, right? Yeah, I'm really gonna see what happens. Because on the daily time frame, or on the 4 hour, sorry, the 4 hour, if that doesn't close like that, then that would mean the 4 hour would wick all the way down like that, which does not look good. I'm telling you, that does not look good. If the 4 hour wicks all the way down. So in an hour and 38 minutes, we don't close above this area right here, then pretty much I don't feel comfortable taking buys. But I mean, it looks really bullish right now, so I don't think we have anything to worry about. So let's just see and still wait for a retracement. And also, I'm not really worrying about this level right here because this, I mean, yes, technically it is a support, but it's not really, it didn't really create a new huge structure. It just created a little pullback and that's it. It's not really, it has no sort of importance in my opinion. Tweezer, that is a tweezer tops. Looks like DJ's coming down now. That's actually so beautiful because I literally expected it to do that. Literally start melting. That's why I went on the 5 minute and I literally saw we broke in structure. So, you know, what's on the smaller time frames follows. So if we're engulfing that, then we're definitely going to continue down. You know what I mean? We do that, then we have 10 pip stops. Basically a 10 pip stops. Because on the 15 minute, that's basically the candle, or on the 1 hour, that's basically the candle that broke out. that should break that low, like literally right now. Okay, so that didn't break that. Still melting. Telling you, bro, we should break these lows. Alright, so once again, guys, I am not entering a trade unless we retrace. So if we are tradeless today, who cares? We don't have to take a trade every single day. See if we do a little mini fib. Not even, bro. Not even. what I'm gonna start doing, guys, is I'm gonna start having lessons in between streams so that you know, we can have more like interaction. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is basically, I don't know, I'm gonna think of some topics and then we're just gonna have like some lessons and stuff. This will most likely be implemented like next week. So it looks like GJ's pushing up here. I'm still waiting on that retracement. Alright. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta watch stuff, guys. It sucks looking at it go, but you sometimes gotta watch it. and that's totally fine. It's better than taking an unnecessary loss. Like, let's say, right? Let's say that somebody, right? I'm not even gonna put this here because y'all are gonna think I took a buy. But let's say somebody just took a buy right now, right? This thing can literally just wick all the way, bro. Like, this is not the REP, bro. Reasonable entry point. It is not. This is the highest point you can enter UJ already. Like, London basically already did most of the moves, so, you know, 3 o'clock, 3:30, that's when we created that little tweezer bottoms and form of support right there. And pretty much it just finished the Fibonacci move like right now. So, you know, then, you know, today I would consider the push to be caused by London. So London did the move for today. Doesn't mean we won't still have a move. I'm pretty sure we will. We just gotta wait on the retracement, and that's about it. Gotta have patience, or else, you know, no patience, no entry. Simple. But yeah, like I'm trying to look at some charts, guys. So go ahead and send your chart if you need analysis. And if you guys want to know how, just take this link right here, copy it, and then paste it in the chart, or in the chat, sorry. Sheesh. And literally look at that. Just like I said, imagine we took a buy right there, we would have been already 3 pips in drawdown. Let's just stop the REP, guys. Yeah, so it looks like in GJ we are moving our way up as expected. Whoever held that buy that I had last week, literally congratulations, you're in like hella profit right now. But yeah, it looks like GJ moved up over here. And it's still moving up. But honestly, I bet anybody would say this there would be no entries around here at all. No safe entries, at least. I mean, you can get entries wherever you want, but in terms of safety, there's no entries at all. Because basically, if we wanted to enter, so 6:30, right? That's where it closed. If we wanted to enter here, right, our stops would basically have to be below that or that right there. So like 13 pips. I don't know, man. And that's just for like that's not even a strong stop, bro. That's not even a strong stop at all. It's just a candle. It's a 30-minute candle. A strong stop, I mean a semi-strong stop would be that, because that's technically the support. But I'd say a strong stop would be this right here. If you enter here and stops, that is a very strong stop, because first of all, it's tweezer bottoms. That's a very strong support, and price, you know, after, you know, creating that area, we should expect to break that, right? So, you know, I wouldn't say there's any entries around here at all. It's just not convenient. So, but I'd be down to review anybody's charts. I'd be down to review anybody's charts. Send in your charts, guys. Send in your charts. I'm trying to help y'all. Oh, also make sure you guys leave a like. I would greatly appreciate that. Yeah, so I mean, it's fine if we don't get a trade today, but it is what it is. Because you know what? We'll catch that tomorrow. We will catch that tomorrow if we don't catch anything today. 100%, guys. But that does look, I mean, first of all, that's a beautiful pattern for a bullish continuation, or bullish reversal, sorry. So beautiful trade, whoever took that yesterday, or even London session, whoever caught this London session. Nice job, nice job. But if I'm gonna be honest, I feel like New York session was dodged today. It was just literally just pumping up. That's basically it. There was no price action for us to take a trade. I mean, not even a retest either. This thing just continued just running away. So no opportunity yet. I'm gonna give it like another 30 minutes to see if we could get a retracement. If we don't, then yeah, we'll just call it a day. We will just call it a day. see if EU ended up. Alright, so EU actually came up, then went right back down into the golden zone. Okay. EJ still the bull run. Pretty slow day here, guys. Pretty slow day here. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the stream early. I will send something in the Discord in the free signals chat if I do see something, but I gotta end the stream early because I gotta go somewhere. But once again, if you are in the Discord, it's literally free. I will send a free signal out if I do see something, but as of now I feel like we're kind of stuck in this area, so I'm just gonna set some alerts to some price levels where I think GJ is gonna go, and yeah, I will send something in the chat if I do see something, guys. So yeah, don't worry, I'll update y'all. But you know, today was pretty slow. Nothing much happened in GJ except, you know, push about 15 pips. You know, nothing too much. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah, say we in Miami, we just left Mr. Jones with 100 bitches that's down, ready to fuck. She said she wanna be about 10 now, I'm like, yeah, this ain't fat enough. Before you get that, you better go get it, tell me tough. She like, Bobby, can you give me 55? I ain't giving you shit unless you sucking on the orders. She went upstairs and gave my little homie some pussy. The little nigga fuck around, I got sprung. She came out the room like popping my ass, her, she just put up with mad work, yeah. You worry about the wrong thing, that's bad work, it's about to